Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. This is a conversational prompting. Artificial intelligence tends to behave like an assistant that offers opinion and speculate. It is useful, but sometimes it is unpredictable. This is symbolic prompting. Here, artificial intelligence follows set of literal instructions, minimizing opinion and maximizing execution. When something is written in natural language, artificial intelligence predicts tokens. The prose is noisy because it has many filler words. When the artificial intelligence sees the roles, it looks for how master relates to comedy and how comedy relates to expert. With symbols like colon equals greater than, this acts as a magnet for artificial intelligence to follow the instructions. Symbolic prompting is not polite asking something of an artificial intelligence. It is building a system or specific rules that artificial intelligence interprets as literal instructions. You don't ask it to openly opine. You give it an algorithm to execute step by step. Instead of open-ended phrases like do X please, you give it structured rules. What could the artificial intelligence response? It could be, it depends on the country. In some places, yes, in others, no. Would you like to know the requirements? Let's see what is the response. Let's try this prompt. We ask the artificial intelligence, I have a user who is 70 years old. Can they vote? Please analyze their age and tell me if they meet the requirements. The artificial intelligence is interpreting from conversational approach, which introduces ambiguity, and its response. We can see in this case the response, different age for different countries. Let's look at this new prompt. Here, we reduce opinion. Artificial intelligence follows rules instead of speculating. The response is no vote. As we saw in two prompts, we asked the same question, except in one we gave it instructions, and in the other it interprets. We see a Python programmer create the code, compile it, and then execute it. The computer doesn't interpret your intention. It executes the instructions line by line until the program finishes. Symbolic prompting is different for a friendly conversational style. It is building a system or a specific rules that artificial intelligence interprets as literal instructions. When executing this new prompt, the output is approved. It didn't say congratulations. It didn't ask if you wanted to improve. It executed rules. That's what we call deterministic behavior or predictable execution. We will see that in prompts using natural language, there are many filler words. We will see that the prompts using natural language, there are many filter words, and a symbolic prompt, each instruction is literal. The space for open interpretation is drastically reduced. The prompt has block, hierarchies, delimiters. When given the same input and it produces the same output, this is pure determinism. If your prompt gives different response each time, it's not symbolic, it's conversational. What is symbolic prompting for? Rule system with validations, approval, discounts. Creating agents with predictable behavior, not a system that freely opine. Connecting workflows, education, teaching computational logic with natural language. Symbolic prompting doesn't replace code. It's a bridge between human language and logical execution. Now, you know what it is. In the next video, we will see why every prompt is an state machine and how to take advantage of this. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a like, the icon, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.